Air fryer bacon wrapped hot dogs are so freaking delicious. I'm going to take you in the kitchen and show you how to make them start to finish. You could also make them oven baked or grilled, and you can find instructions for those ways to make them at sipbitego.com. So first we're going to start with the ingredients here, and you really only need a few things. You could use mini hot dogs, you know, those cocktail hot dogs, or you could use long hot dogs like this one, or you could use standard Oscar Mayer hot dogs, whatever you have available. And so you want to wrap the bacon around the hot dog, and depending on the size will change how many pieces of bacon you need. These use 2 pieces of bacon, and you just want to make sure that the bacon isn't overlapping very much. You want it to be maybe touching the edges of the bacon to itself, but you want to secure it all at the end with some toothpicks and set them aside. So set the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and preheat it for 5 minutes, and then you want to add the hot dogs wrapped in bacon into the air fryer basket. I like to spray the basket first, even though I know it's non-stick. I know, I still spray it. So anyways, add in the hot dogs, and then it's time to air fry them. So what you do is first you air fry them for 8 minutes, just as they are with the toothpicks in them, and then you flip them over and air fry them again. I would do anywhere between like 3 to 7 minutes. It really depends on how crisp you like the bacon to be, and you have to be careful because they do kind of like bunch up. This is a Philips XXL air fryer basket, and I was able to fit 5 of them, although you see, like with the toothpicks, it got a little bit out of control. But I would say usually 3 is a pretty good amount to air fry at a time. And as the bacon gets more crisp, you don't need the toothpicks anymore, so you can take them out kind of like halfway. So when they're done cooking, the air fryer bacon wrapped hot dogs are going to be really hot, and once they cool down like a minute or 2, you can take out the toothpicks. You definitely don't want to serve them with the toothpicks in, and then you can add them to buns and serve them with your favorite condiments. You can make something like these caramelized onions, which you can find the recipe for at sipbitego.com. Or you could just serve them with some cheddar cheese and some barbecue sauce, and I don't know, even like jalapenos and some fresh cilantro would be really delicious on top. I have another hot dog recipe in the air fryer you'll love. You have to check out my recipe for cheesy wrapped hot dog tortillas. They're basically like hot dog taquitos, and you can air fry them or bake them. I'll show you both ways to do that. Check out the recipe at sipbitego.com or at the SipBitego YouTube channel. And for more delicious recipes that are easy to make sure to subscribe to SipBitego on YouTube. Enjoy your air fry bacon wrapped hot dogs, and until next time, give this video a like if you learned something new, and I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!